What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about JustPlay. With JustPlay, I wanted to go back, clear all of my data from the app, and start fresh. So I cleared all my data once again and started fresh on JustPlay. And so I played it pretty much for 3 hours straight. I went on JustPlay. I played 3 different games. I played Treasure Master, Ball Bounce, and Mad Smash. Within that 3-hour period, I completely completed both goals. I completed the coin goal, and then I completed the new loyalty booster coin goal. I filled all of them up, and so I'm gonna show how much I earned within that 3-hour period and how long it actually took me to get to that point. And I'm gonna share everything pretty much that I tested, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. Basically, the full reason why I wanted to come back and do JustPlay is because I've been seeing a lot of comments of people saying they've received tons and tons of money and they did this and that and blah blah blah. So I decided to try it out for myself and see how it actually goes and see how much I actually make. There's pretty much not much I could have done to make more from JustPlay. I pretty much did the maximum of what any average person could have done on the app, and I did it that way just to see, on average, a random person coming to the app to try it out to see how much they would make within the first 3 hours, and this is pretty much what happened. I set out to earn the most money from JustPlay by maximizing my time and playing Treasure Master, but I played a couple other games as well. Make so much money using JustPlay by playing Treasure Master. So I deleted my data for the app and I started on JustPlay new and fresh. I've been wondering how people make so much money using JustPlay, and just after 3 long hours, I have managed to max out my loyalty coins and my booster loyalty coins. So I maxed out both of them and did my daily goal, and I have 30 seconds left to see how much it gave me. Now that you guys seen how much I earned within that 3-hour period, I would just like to say what I really think so far right now of JustPlay. And if you're really into doing JustPlay every 3 hours, I mean, it could be worth it. It could be worth it, or you know, the amount of money that I received for the last 3 hours playtime is not worth how much I played for. As you can see, I only got like 29 cents, 26 cents. I believe it's 29 cents, but I received 29 cents for playing pretty much non-stop for 3 hours, and I played 3 different games, and I also watched the ad video things at the very bottom of the app. I see a lot of JustPlay videos of people just posting shorts about it. They're not really giving any actual insight to how the app works, to how the app goes about paying people. They just post videos on trying to get views on that video, and they're not actually out here helping people understand what this app is actually about and how this app actually works. And that is my goal for my videos. I'm not out here trying to get tons and tons of views. I could care less about the views. When I started these review videos, I made it my mission to go full out and fully research these apps and see how they actually work, the ins and outs of the app. I also made it my mission to look into the background of the app, look into the companies that are developing these apps that pay people to play games. And that has been my whole mission, to understand how these apps actually work and how they go about to being able to pay people like they pay people. And so I do read all of my comments for all of the videos. I've replied to what I can reply to, and the most comments that I've seen are on the JustPlay videos. I've seen a comment from a new viewer that I haven't seen on the channel before, and they said, when you're making a tips and tricks video, make sure that you make points more clear within the video on what you're talking about in the video. So hopefully I explained things a little bit more within this video. Even though this video is not a tips and tricks video, this is me explaining to you about everything about the app, plus why I go about to make these videos, and I go so far to explain them the way that I explain them. And hopefully everybody can see the mission that I set out on to make these videos in the first place. It's never intended to make any money from anything. Was never intended to make money from YouTube. It was never intended to make money from these apps. However, I wanted to see how these apps actually worked. I wanted to see more videos from other people who has used these apps. I wanted to connect with all of you guys to hear your experience with all these different types of apps, because these apps seem to all share similar things and similar ways of paying people for playing games or doing tasks or filling out surveys. So I wanted to see pretty much the inner workings of everything and hear from all different types of people. And I wanted them, you guys, to be able to share your opinion and your experiences in the comment section of all these videos, so that maybe you guys can connect with some other people as well to figure out more about these apps, as well as me learning about the apps along with you guys. With that being said, I thank all of you for tuning in to this video today, and I thank you guys for liking my videos, for subscribing to my channel, and just watching and commenting on all of my videos. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see all of you in the next new earning video. Peace.